Hello, today I'm going to show you how to use Evernote to create a voice note recording. You can use Evernote as an online application or you can download it into your computer. Today I'm going to use the download version and I already launched it on my computer, and once you open it, this is how it looks. This is the welcoming page, and from here I'm going to show you how to record a voice note. So the first thing you want to do is to click on this plus sign, which is the create a new note. Now you have a new note created, and if you see on the menu bar, there is this little icon that looks like a microphone. So that's the one that you're gonna use to start recording. So first, we're gonna click on new note. We're gonna title the note recording. I'm gonna just title recording 1. And then once I click on the writing space, there is that icon again, and I'm gonna click on it. And this is the recording bar. Once you see that, you're pretty much ready to start recording. And you're gonna press the red dot to start recording. So once I press it, I'm gonna start recording my message. This is an tutorial for recording a voice note using Evernote. Once you're done, Evernote is going to convert it into a MP3 file and you can download it, but you can also share this note directly. So if you click on share, you can enter the email of the person you want to share with, or you can get even a shareable link. So if I want to use a shareable link, I'm just going to say share, anyone with this link can view the note. And there's a link generated from there, and you can copy and paste that link to any email or any email that you want to send to other people. So I hope this is helpful and you can start recording using Evernote. Thank you for watching.